Your couch is basically a giant sponge for every single smell that enters your home. Think about that for a second. Every meal you have cooked, every time your dog jumped up after a rainy walk, and even just the stale air of a humid afternoon, it all gets trapped right there in the deep fibers. Most people try to fix this by spraying some heavy floral perfume into the air, but that does not actually solve the problem. It just creates a weird layer of fake flower scent over the original funk. That is why I wanted to talk about this huggable cotton fabric spray. It is specifically designed to fight those odors that are sitting deep inside your soft surfaces. We are talking about the stubborn smells that stick to your curtains, your mattress, and your car seats. This is not your standard air freshener that just floats around for a minute and disappears. It is a specialized fabric refresher. When you look at the bottle, it is a compact 5-ounce size, which is around 150 milliliters. This size is perfect because it is easy to grip and does not feel bulky in your hand. The spray nozzle on top is the real hero of the design because it produces a very fine, delicate mist. Have you ever used a cleaning spray that comes out like a garden hose? It leaves big, wet circles on your cushions that take forever to dry and might even stain. This nozzle atomizes the liquid so finely that it dries almost instantly. You can spray your favorite chair and sit down just a minute later without feeling a damp spot on your clothes. The scent is exactly what you would hope for from something called huggable cotton. It smells like high-end laundry soap or fresh, warm sheets right out of the dryer. It is soft. It is clean. It is not one of those sharp, synthetic smells that gives you a headache the moment you walk into the room. If you are not a fan of the cotton vibe, there are other scent options like rose, honey, or apple. But the cotton version is the ultimate classic for that fresh house feel. I really love the idea of using this while traveling too. Think about the last time you sat in a rental car or walked into a hotel room that just felt a bit off. A quick mist on the upholstery or the drapes can change the whole atmosphere. You want to hold the bottle about a foot away from the surface and give it just 1 or 2 presses. That is really all it takes to cover a decent size area. It is safe for your everyday fabrics like polyester and cotton blends. But you should definitely keep it away from your leather seats or sensitive silks that might fade or react to the moisture. The best part of this whole thing is the staying power. You do not have to keep chasing the smell every hour or reapplying it constantly. One application in the morning can carry that crisp, clean scent through the entire day. It is such a low-effort way to keep your living space feeling renewed without having to do a full, exhausting deep clean of every fabric surface you own every single week. It gives you that satisfying fresh laundry feeling without the actual stress of laundry day. It is simple, it is effective, and it actually works on the root of the odor instead of just dancing around it. This is a simple, effective tool for anyone who wants their home to feel like a sanctuary without the constant scrubbing and soaking.